not leaning on me. Because if he's leaning on me, I've got to do a different exercise. So I engage again, feel the feet, and now I just relax the energy under his feet, and as soon as his ground path is interrupted, then the balance starts to go, because your feet control your balance. So touch the base, pull away to make sure he's not leaning, touch again, and then relax to the feet. And you'll notice his response, if it's really correct, will be down there first, and his body's going, what the hell? You know, the feet go. If I put it somewhere else in the body, like up there, then that sort of pulls in that direction. So you can put this energy wherever you want, but in this situation, get the feet and then relax it through that cutting the base. One of my early teachers said, you put this spatula under the person's feet mentally, and then just relax and wedge it up, like you're flipping an egg. And that's sort of stuck in my head. So put the spatula underneath, and off you go. Bring it as a cloud under the feet and floating the person on the cloud works incredibly well, because that's more what it looks like clairvoyantly when you watch these energies come up. It's a cloud coming out of the ground. Okay, have a play.